Hey guys, I am Parampreet Singh. Me and my friend Anant Luthra made a Wikipedia searcher in Python. What it does, it takes input via voice or via text and search it on Wikipedia and show summary on the display. And we can also listen the summary and we can also convert the summary into an audio file. So now Anant will show you a demo of it.
So hey, my name is Anant. Now I'll demonstrate you how you can use our Wikipedia searcher tool. So first I will start it by running this gui.py which contains the printer file. You can see this. Now there are two options to search any Wikipedia. Like you can use this voice tool by searching through your voice. Otherwise you can use like this search button. First I will demonstrate you how you can use this mic button.
Listening.
India. Yeah, you can see this. India is printed here. Now for searching this I will just click the search button. Yeah, so that you can read about India, whatever's there in Wikipedia. And there is the thing also, like when you press the search button, it's also speak like listening. Then you can be confirmed that now it is listening to us whatever we are going to search. Now second thing is like we can also search through by typing it, like banana. Now just searching it. Here we go.
So now I will search India and it is fetching the summary. Okay, now I will press the speaker button.
India. India, officially the Republic of India.
So now I am converting this summary into an audio file. It takes some time to convert. And the audio is converted successfully. Now I'll play it.
India, India, officially the Republic of India. Hindi, Bharat Ganarajya, is a country in South Asia and record.
So hope you like this software made in Python, and please let me know what is the feedback. Share with us and share with other people so they can tell us what the feedback of them. So yeah, bye.